Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can turn your pictures or photos into digital comic book. So I'm explaining both on the laptop and the mobile at simultaneously, because if you have laptop it would be easier. Even on the mobile you can do it. The process is very similar. Open Google Gemini. Here I already browsed through Google Gemini, and here at the left side if you can see there is a option called gems here. Yeah, gems, right? Click on the gems, and if you scroll down, you will see something like Storybook. Here you need to click on Storybook. Now we'll see on the mobile. You can click on these three bars here, and here also you will see an option called gems. Here click on these gems and click on the Storybook. Process is absolutely similar. So here you can give the prompts. Before giving a prompt, I said you can convert your photos into the comic storybooks. For that you can use this plus symbol, which is for uploading files. Click on this plus and click on upload files here, so that you can upload your own image. Assume this as your own image. You can just upload this first. So I have one image in the download folder, so I'll be opening the download. Let me just open the download, and in the download folder there is a character called boy here. Yes, this one. I'll be just dragging this image and dropping it over here so that this gets uploaded. Okay, now I can give the prompt. Likewise on my mobile also I can click on this plus symbol and I can go to the gallery and I can take some picture. Okay, upload a picture. Okay, right? So now from this I'll continue on the laptop so that the procedure is same. You can give the prompt. So for prompt I'm just using this microphone to just speak out. Create a storybook. Remember, sorry, I'll stop this. Don't give space to story and book. Okay, remove this. With this boy character, and name this boy as Rahul, and include a pet dog to this boy. He goes to school daily, and one day, to the surprise, he found two diamonds, and from the diamond create a story that how his life has changed. Okay, create a storybook. Remember, the same thing you can do it on the mobile. Okay, don't think otherwise. I am showing you on the laptop. Yeah, see here, it is just taking few seconds to create a digital comic book or storybook. Yeah, see here, it has created a storybook with the character I have given. So I can click on this listen here.
Rahul and the Sparkling Secret.
There are 10 pages comic book or the storybook created.
Every morning, Rahul stepped out of his house with a big smile. He had messy dark hair that never stayed flat, and big brown eyes that noticed everything. By his side was Moti, his loyal dog and best friend. Moti's tail wagged like a happy windshield wiper as they began their daily walk to school along the sun-drenched path. The path to school was usually filled with gray stones and dry leaves. Rahul picked them up. They felt heavy and cold in his
See here,
palm.
I'll pause it here. In the prompt I said something like the boy should find some two diamonds, and with these diamonds his life has changed, something like that I told, right? So imaginary comic has been generated with 10 pages, and you can download this to the PDF, or you can share it to your friends, family, or the internet, whatever it may be. The link copy, if you post it in the Facebook, you can share it. On the Reddit you can share. You can directly share this link to the WhatsApp, and on the other's phone, maybe your relatives, your friends phone, this story will be read aloud. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.